Hello everyone, welcome to Think Academy. Today we are going to explore some questions from KMC. Let's see, today our topic is sum and difference problems. To solve sum and difference problems, in fact, the point is to find the sum and the difference. Let's see the first question. How long is the string? We have no other conditions now. We only have two pictures. So let's find the conditions in the two pictures. In the first picture, we got one train and one bridge here. And this sign shows us the total length of the two things is 340 meters. And in the second picture, we got the bridge is longer than the string. And the difference between the two things is 110 meters. So this is the sum. And 110 meters is the difference. Let's see, we know the sum and we know the difference. How to solve it? In fact, after finding the sum and the difference, we can draw a diagram to help us analyze the relationship. And for the diagram, we can use two lines to represent amount. When the line is longer, that means the amount is bigger. And when the line is shorter, that means the amount is less. Let's see. Who is longer, train or bridge? From the second picture, we can see the train is shorter. So let's draw the train first. The train should use a shorter line, while the bridge should use a longer line. This is for the bridge, and we know the difference between them. This is the difference, should be 110. And also we know the sum of them is 340 meters. Okay, now we got two things. We got their sum. Can we just divide 340 by 2? Of course not. Why? Because they are not equal. So let's see, can we try to find a way to make both equal? Let's see, we got this extra part here, but if we take this extra part away, the two remaining parts, they are two blue lines. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal now. And what's the sum of them? 340 minus 110 equals 230 meters as the sum of the two blue lines. To find each, now we can divide 230 by 2. So each blue line is 115 meters long. Now let's mark 115 in this picture. So you can see who is just 115? The train. Let's give it a subtitle. And how to find the bridge? We just need to use 115 plus 110. We can got 225. And let's see how long is the train. We have already found it. It's V, 115 meters. So you see, if you can connect shapes and the numbers, this question can be solved very easily. Now, the second question. There are 800 students in School A and School B. We got School A has 200 students more than School B. So, how many students does each school have? Let's see, for the sum and the difference problem, what's the first step? To find the sum and the difference. How can we know where is the sum? The keywords all together, we got it. So this is the sum. You can mark it here. And because the more than tells us 200 is the difference. Now, who has more students, A or B? A has more, so B is the shorter line, while A is the longer line. And now let's mark sum and the difference in the picture. This part is 200, and we know the sum of them is 800. Let's find a way to make both equal. If we take the 200 away, the remaining two lines, they are red and they are equal now. And what's the sum of them? It should be 800 minus 200 equals 600. Can we divide 600 by 2 now? Of course, because the two lines, they are equal. So 600 divided by 2 equals 300. Let's mark 300 in the picture. And then you can get which school just has 300 students. B, let's give it a subtitle. And for A, it has two parts, 300 and 200. So let's add them together. 300 plus 200, we can get 500 students for school A. Now remember to check your answer. If you add 300 and 500 together, can you get 800 as a sum? Yes, we can. That means we got the correct answer. Okay, so let's see. So school A has 500 students and school B has 300 students. That's just the answer. Remember to check it. Let's see the last question. It tells us two students. A is 5 meters higher than B, and we know the sum of their heights should be 355 centimeters. Also, we are going to find the height of A. Now, let's see what's the sum. 355. It's told directly. What's the difference? Higher than. It's a keyword to find the difference. It's 5 centimeters. Who is shorter and the who is higher? A is higher, so we can draw B first. This is for B, and then this is for A's height. It's longer. Let's see the difference for this question should be 5 centimeters. Also, we know the sum is 355 centimeters. Let's find a way to make both equal. If we take this extra 5 centimeters away, now the remaining two lines, they are equal. And what's the sum of them? 355 minus 5 equals 350 centimeters. It's the sum of the two blue lines. Because they are equal, so we can divide the total by 2 to find each. It should be 175 centimeters. Let's mark it in the picture. Then you can know who is just 175 centimeters high. Let's B. Give a subtitle to your operation. And let's see how high is A. Okay, so we just need to add 175 and 5 together. We can get 180 centimeters. This is the height of A. Okay, so let's check the answer. If we add these two numbers together, can we get 355? Yes, we can. So that means you got the correct answer. Congrats! Okay, so in fact, apart from cutting the extra part, you can also make both equal by adding the difference to the shorter one. Perhaps you can try this method after today's class. Okay, so you see if you can connect shapes and numbers by drawing a diagram, you can make sum and difference problems quite easier. Okay, so that's all for today's class. See you next time. Bye!